feel like I can beat anybody.
Okay, but what about him per se?
If he was to ask me, you think you could beat me?
Now, God,
No,
this not how
listen
DC rock, man.
If
DC don't rock like that, God.
If he was to ask me, do you think you could beat me? I'm gonna be like, yeah, of course. The same way he would do the same thing.
Okay.
Boxing legend Floyd Mayweather is back training with his protege, Gervonta "Tank" Davis, as Davis gears up to face the undefeated and strategic Lamont Roach. Mayweather has played a key mentoring role throughout Davis's career, especially during major fight camps. With him back in the mix, fans are excited to see if their winning formula can bring another big victory.
Just like you right here, you gonna slide over on me. So just like a boxing match. You touch me right here, boom, yep.
The bond between Floyd Mayweather and Gervonta "Tank" Davis is one of mentor and protege, built on mutual respect and a shared hunger for success. Mayweather, the undefeated boxing icon with a 50-0 record, recognized Davis's potential early on and signed him to Mayweather Promotions in 2015. Since then, he's played a major role in shaping Davis's path to stardom, often calling him the future of boxing. Mayweather's influence on Davis goes well beyond just promoting his fights. He's been hands-on in training, helping Davis grow mentally and tactically in the ring. With Mayweather's legendary defense, sharp ring IQ, and strong work ethic, he has passed these traits to Davis, making him one of the toughest punchers in the lightweight and super lightweight classes. Davis often credits Mayweather for teaching him discipline, patience, and smart strategies, lessons that shine through in every fight.
I think that he's the best, like the greatest of all time, for sure. How he's moving, like his hand placement, like where he's throwing at, and things like that. Like I always like to watch Floyd. Not really fight like him, but I try to like, he's orthodox, so if I can do it on the southpaw side, then it's gonna be a little awkward for my opponents.
Mayweather has worn many hats in Davis's rise, from promoting his fights to shaping his boxing style. As head of Mayweather Promotions, Floyd worked hard to secure big chances for Davis, always believing he could be the next boxing star. But Floyd didn't stop at business. He was also in the gym, offering Tank advice on strategy and staying focused under pressure. Known for his defensive skill, Floyd emphasized fighting smart, conserving energy, and outthinking opponents, skills that are now a key part of Davis's approach.
Back personal, bro.
They talking. They talking.
They can't do nothing
They
for you. They can't do nothing for me.
They talking. They talking. But you know how it's gonna get. You know how it's gonna get. You know how it's gonna get. You know how it's gonna get.
A machine. A real machine.
You know how it's gonna get.
A real one.
I'm the same nigga when they ain't around. People think that you catching them rounds. They could be 4 on 10 on mama, get rid of them, mama, leave them right there. They could be 4 on 10 on mama, get rid of them, mama, leave them right there. These niggas all talk. These niggas all talk.
Over time, the connection between Davis and Mayweather has grown stronger. Early on, Davis looked up to Floyd like a father figure, someone who had experienced everything and reached the top. In return, Mayweather saw Davis as his protege, the one destined to carry on his legacy. Floyd has been by Davis's side at weigh-ins, press events, and fight nights, providing steady support and adding a sense of greatness to every step of Tank's journey.
Tank Davis, it was a kid. He was a young kid, came up to me when he was a kid, wanted an autograph. I signed his phone for him and told him, you'll be world champion someday, and I'll be your promoter. He was working with some people from our team because our team is huge. We got guys in DC, Baltimore, Philly, New York, all around. He won a few fights. I think he was like 8, 9. I don't know he was like 8 or 9 and 0. I told him, in under 24 months, you'll be world champion. Made the right moves, put him in the right position. He's a multi-millionaire now. He was a kid that couldn't even buy a bus ticket. Now he's a multi-millionaire.
Though Davis and Mayweather share a strong bond, they've had some rough patches. As Davis's career took off, he wanted more independence, leading to rumors of tension between them. In 2022, Davis even suggested he might leave Mayweather Promotions to steer his own path. But their respect for each other never went away. After his big win over Ryan Garcia in 2023, Davis openly thanked Mayweather, calling him a big brother and praising the guidance that helped him succeed.
What set you off that you was like, I gotta do that?
A lot of people don't know that what Floyd do. He said.
So you feel like it was a sub, like he was subbing you, like, oh, like
he was going at me. He was going at me, and I knew for sure he was going at me. That's why I went at him. There's no reason for me to go at Floyd.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Cause I feel like y'all got, I would say love and hate, but it's been like the last interview you showed them love. This week it was whatever. But is that sometimes like, you know, is it just like big bro, little bro seeing things different, or what is it to you?
No, Floyd don't never. He felt as though I'm at that point where as though I passed him. And I'm doing it at a young age. Wait, like when Floyd was 29, you'll see, bro.
Yeah.
That deal that I'm talking about.
Yeah. Oh, that's a part of it.
He don't know about that yet. But that's bigger than his deal.
Damn. Wow.
And I'm just releasing it.
Exclusive. That's exclusive. Bigger than Floyd deal?
Yeah.
Ain't no cap, nigga. That's a lot of bread.
You'll see. It's gonna come out.
The partnership between Floyd Mayweather and GervontaDavis is a powerful example of one generation passing the torch to the next. Mayweather's guidance has helped Davis become a multi-division world champion and one of boxing's biggest stars. Their connection, both inside and outside the ring, proves just how strong and lasting their bond is.
Actually, when he came to the gym, and it was a day before Adrian Broner was fighting Sean Porter. Right after the weigh-in, we went over to the gym because he wanted to see Tank box Devin Haney. You know, Devin Haney was in good shape. Tank wasn't in good shape, but they worked. And it was some crazy work. And just with him and Devin working, it was crazy, entertaining work at that particular time. So I said, you know what? I like this kid.
When Floyd left Bob Arum, it's good for them to do it and become their own boss. And then if another guy does it, it's not good for the sport. He's disloyal. And what's wrong with Tank saying he want to be his own boss? And honestly, I've been there. The relationship between them two is very toxic. It's a toxic relationship. It's up and down and up and down. And I'm not gonna elaborate to everything that I know, but it's a very toxic relationship. And that's why when I tweet stuff, I don't tweet often, but when I tweet, I may fire off 50 tweets in the day. And that's why when I tweeted certain things about the relationship, Tank retweeted it because he knows. Like, I'm not just gonna say what it is. It's a very toxic relationship. It's back and forth. And I think it will serve him best to go and be his own boss.
What makes their relationship special is the blend of mentorship and shared ambition. Mayweather sees Davis as the next chapter of his legacy, an unstoppable force in the lightweight and super lightweight divisions with the potential to dominate for years. In return, Davis respects Floyd not just for his legendary career, but for the life lessons he's shared. From staying calm under pressure to perfecting every detail of fight preparation, Mayweather has been a key part of Davis's rise to the top.
Tell Floyd to get on live. Tell him show where he at. You owe them people over in Dubai that money. Tell him get on live right now. And he owe people in Saudi Arabia money too. Out here scamming. On live right now.
As Davis solidifies his spot among boxing's biggest names, Mayweather's influence remains strong. Their mentor-mentee bond shows how a legend's experience can shape a rising star's journey. Whether training together or sharing advice, their connection keeps the torch of greatness burning in boxing. Scheduled for March 1st, 2025, at Brooklyn's Barclays Center, the highly anticipated fight between Gervonta Tank Davis and Lamont Roach has boxing fans buzzing. This showdown brings two top fighters face-to-face and tells a bigger story, making it one of the most exciting matchups of the year. Fans are ready to fill the iconic arena, eager to see Davis's power go head-to-head with Roach's sharp technique in the ring.
For real.
Okay.
So I do it for myself, but I do it for the people with me. My whole family is from DC. My whole family, like my entire family.
Don't bring them.
Don't bring
them.
For what?
Don't bring them. I'm telling you.
They gonna celebrate with me. You
Don't bring them.
It's gonna be a party on your floor.
I'm gonna let y'all know something. His father was up here shaking on the what's his name? He was shaking on the
Pops.
On my kids, he was shaking on this thing. On my kids, he was shaking.
Don't
Never.
say, bro.
That's cap. What I about to say?
How you gonna say it's cap? And
It gotta
how
be.
you gonna say it's cap? I'm watching them.
Gotta be.
He's doing it now.
But his father is my, you know what I mean? These my people. So, but me and him gotta get it on.
Hey,
You know
yeah,
what I mean?
for sure.
We gotta get it on.
But look though, back to the question though. That's like the feud. That's the feud. Just like it's a lot of people in here today. For me, it's gonna be way more in Brooklyn. And when he feels
you come
when
with.
I know
you come with.
hey,
Them ain't gonna be able to stop none of this shit. I don't give a.
I'm the,
They
I'm
can
the
have
one.
all
I'm
that
the one.
coke,
I'm the
ski
one.
mask up. Them can't
I'm the
stop
one.
shit.
I'm the one.
Them can't stop shit.
I'm the one.
And
You
when
hear
it
me?
come to this shit,
I'm
you
the
know
one.
how Baltimore
I'm
get
the
down.
one. I'm the
For
one.
real.
I'm the one. I'm the
For
one to
real.
stop all that shit.
Them cannot stop
We
shit.
go. Hey, look. Trust me.
And we be moving
Trust
up
me.
through there too.
Trust
What's
me.
going on?
Trust me. We on shit march first. You hear me?
What's going on? What's good?
Hey.
Somebody
What's
lying.
good?
Hey.
Yeah, somebody lying.
Hey.
Somebody lying.
Hey. I'm
Okay,
glad my
Tank,
name ain't somebody.
What does it mean for you to represent Baltimore in this fight, brother? Like, what does it mean to you personally?
I don't think it's just Baltimore. I just feel as though like where I come from and like all over, like it's like everybody going through something.
You
Like,
represent the trenches.
Yeah.
The rivalry between GervontaDavis and Lamont Roach has been growing for years, fueled by their fights in the lighter weight classes and rising tension between them. Roach, known for his smart and defensive style, often says he can handle Davis's raw power and aggressive tactics. Their back and forth in interviews and press events has only increased fans' excitement for the fight. That Roach's rise in boxing has been steady and careful. While he may not pack Davis's one-punch knockout power, his sharp ring IQ, precise technique, and ability to adjust make him a tough challenge. Many believe his disciplined style could give Davis, who's dominated with powerful knockouts, a real test. With a pro record of 25 wins, 1 loss, and 1 draw, Lamont Roach Jr. is confident going into the fight. He says he doesn't think Davis underestimates him and expects Davis to train hard for the matchup. Roach also stresses that money isn't his motivation. He calls Davis an easy opponent, almost like a piece of cake. He points out that he's the champion at 130 pounds, while Davis fights at 135, highlighting a weight advantage in his favor.
Tank says that he's going to retire at the end of next year. Do you think he has one foot out the door?
Yeah, for sure. I think that was a mistake for him to say that, especially in front of me. So, I'm gonna just take advantage of him and show him why he shouldn't have said that or why he shouldn't be contemplating that.
GervontaDavis enters this fight as a proven superstar with multiple world titles across different weight classes. Known for his powerful punches and ability to finish fights with knockouts, Davis has earned a reputation for thrilling, aggressive performances that leave opponents trapped and overwhelmed. His confidence isn't just from natural talent. It's also shaped by years of mentorship and guidance from Floyd Mayweather. This fight is huge for both fighters. For Davis, it's a chance to solidify his place as one of the best of his generation. A win would add to his impressive record and show he can beat a tough, skilled fighter like Roach. As a top star, every fight Davis takes draws a lot of attention, so a strong performance here would firmly make him the face of boxing today.
Damn.
The Barclays Center in Brooklyn, New York, is known for hosting major boxing events, making it the perfect place for a fight like this. The arena's electric atmosphere draws passionate fans from everywhere. For Davis, the Barclays Center holds special meaning. It's where he's had some of his most memorable wins. The energy of the venue combined with the rivalry between Davis and Roach promises an unforgettable night for boxing fans. The announcement of this fight has shaken the boxing world. Fans and experts are buzzing about who will come out on top. Many believe Davis's power and aggressive style will overwhelm Roach, expecting another knockout from the Baltimore star. But others think Roach's technical skills could pose a real challenge if he avoids those heavy punches. This fight has also caught the attention of casual fans, drawn by the fighters' personalities and contrasting styles. The build-up, with press conferences and media events, has only added to the excitement, as both fighters confidently predict victory and trade sharp words leading up to the fight.
It was like just now, like when he talking, that sparked the plug again.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Is that all it takes? Just a little comment?
Nah, but that's what I want though. I don't want you to fight me like you saying you going out.
It always go like this. It always go like this.
Nah, what I'm
always
saying,
get the
you just said you feel like you going
and
out.
they go to
I don't
sleep.
want you to feel like you going out.
The boxing world is buzzing with excitement over this fight, as fans and experts debate who will come out on top. Davis's training footage has only added fuel to the fire, showing just how focused and ready he is. Media outlets are closely following both fighters, building the story of a rivalry renewed on a big stage. Meanwhile, Shakur Stevenson has shared his thoughts, warning Davis to be careful about facing Roach. Stevenson calls Davis a smart fighter who chooses opponents that suit his style, a key reason he has stayed undefeated and dominant. Davis respects Stevenson's speed and skill, but seems less eager about a fight between them. When asked if a match would be exciting, Davis gives a cautious reply. He says the fight will happen when the time is right, but hints it might not be the action-packed battle fans want. His words, "Everyone will know when it happens," suggest he isn't fully convinced it will be a thrilling fight.
Who have Shakur? What have Shakur done? What have he done in the sport? He haven't done nothing. The young one is looking more better than him.
Who that?
The Keyshawn. Keyshawn looking way more better than this. I keep screaming his name. He haven't done nothing. Keyshawn haven't even done nothing.
So what do you say to those who
Y'all
might
keep
be
saying his
afraid?
name for?
So what do you say to those who might be saying that, Tank is afraid of Shakur?
Afraid of what? Afraid of what? Us fighters, if we're afraid of somebody, it gotta be somebody hitting us and hurting us. Like, he don't have no offense. Everything is defense. Defense only win in basketball and football. That shit win in boxing.
As March 1st approaches, excitement for GervontaDavis versus Lamont Roach is reaching a peak. With a legendary venue, a fierce rivalry, and high stakes for both fighters, this matchup has all the makings of a classic. Fans can expect an intense night at the Barclays Center, watching two of boxing's best battle in what could be one of 2025's most memorable fights. Davis has been clear about his mindset. When people start talking about his next fight, it's time to expect action. Confident and focused, he warns that he's ready to bring the fight and won't back down. Staying real, he ignores distractions and promises that anyone who steps up will have to pay. Davis invites everyone to watch, fully prepared to prove why he's one of the toughest fighters in the sport.
When they start talking, when the people who I fight, when they start talking, that's when y'all get dumb. I'm gonna beat his ass.
He can't do
shit. For real. I better be quiet.
I don't give a y'all was quiet.
Ski mask and all that.
He got the other hood over there.
Like, twisted up. I don't give a about none of that.
Do whatever
I don't
y'all
care about
want.
none of
My
that.
mother, he
I don't
can't
care
stop
about no
nothing
hood,
over
no
here.
none of that.
Not at all.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna him up.
Not at all. Never. Nothing's
y'all-
gonna get
y'all
over here.
face up.
What do I look like getting up?
Okay.
That shit.
Okay.
That shit never gonna stop
telling
nothing over here.
And he gonna pay for it. I guarantee
can't-
he pay for it. I
don't-
guarantee he
I
pay
can't.
for it. I guarantee it. I
Calm
guarantee
down.
it.
Calm down, brother.
Come to the fight. Come to the fight.
They probably gonna get you up.
Come to the fight.
Look, fool. Hey, fool. You, fool.
Come to the fight.
This me and you, fool.
Tank.
This me and you, fool.
Yeah.
Don't worry about them. They might get you dead. They gonna trick you off the spot.
They get like it.
They gonna trick you off the spot, fool. Don't worry about them.
Like it. They get like it.
Will Davis's explosive power deliver another knockout? Or will Roach's smart strategy and technical skills turn the tide? Share your predictions and who you're rooting for in the comments below.